Hi, my name is Taylor Moore, and welcome to the initial announcement for our new application, which is called BluePrintCam. BluePrintCam allows you to take an image with your camera or upload from your local machine and have it create a very detailed infographic diagram, which provides a lot of detail and information specifically about the image. This is really handy, and we also have a deep research function that is really powerful and gives you superpowers. So let's hop in and I'll walk you through this quickly so you can understand how this works and where we intend to go with it. We know what picture we're going to be using, and we know that I had taken it in Tomar, Portugal. But I'm really curious to know much more about this particular object. And so what we're going to do is drag from our desktop and upload this image. And as you can see, it's the beautiful interior of this incredible space at the Convento de Cristo in Tomar, Portugal. So I'd like to use the 14th century medieval diagram, and I will also add a reference image that we quite like, and I will drag that in to use as a reference image. Okay. And let's just add some analysis context here. This is the interior of the Iglesia at the Convento do Cristo in Tomar, Portugal. Please research deeply regarding what this is, its historical context, and its importance relative to the Templars. Okay, now we will click on the deep research and let that hammer. We want to do it within the output resolution of 1K. You can do 1K, 2K, and 4K. The 4K looks amazing, but obviously costs you more credits. All right, so let's start the deep analysis here. It's quite fantastic to always get much more data than you have while you're experiencing it, because so much of the time these places are so overwhelming and you actually really desire to know more. And this either allows you to get it while you're there or even at home later. This is the schematic view. We have a clean art view, which looks quite good, and we'll download these. I wanted to show you a couple of other processes as well as some exploded viewed images. We think they turned out quite well, but also realize that over time this is only just going to improve and improve. I also wanted to show you some of the deep research analysis that has come back. These are just snippets of it. They're approximately 3 to 4 pages long and really burrowed down using Google Deep Research, and it really amplifies the overall experience. If you have any questions or would really like to get on the beta for this, that would be fantastic. We anticipate to roll this initially out for the web, then we anticipate to go to Android, and then after that for iOS. So please send us an email and we'd be more than willing to get you hooked up. Thank you very much.